I'm still trying out. I'm so excited. Pretty flowers. So I can do this. Wow. I thought I'd show you guys our vitamin section here because I just started taking iron pills because I've been getting really dizzy just overall when I get up, when I sit down, and just like even when I'm standing up, I get dizzy. So I got some iron for myself, so I'm gonna take that right now. And then these are Caesars, but I usually take the Women's Daily Multivitamin. This one I'm so bad at because this is kind of sweet and I don't like taking it in the morning. This is what I've been trying for my time of the month. So this is the Flow Balance PMS Rescue. I've only tried this for I think a month, but I'm still trying out. So I'm gonna do a whole video about that and things that I do to kind of relieve cramps and stuff. Still Sunday morning, but I just finished planning my week, so everything that I have to do. I like to plan out and write literally everything that I'm going to do each day, so that's what we have already written down. And I also have been keeping track of just some analytics and stuff to reach certain goals that I really want to reach. And yeah, I just wrote down pretty much just like go for a walk or move my body like every single day, and I changed that. I used to write workout every single day, like workout or go for a walk, but I've just been changing it to moving my body so that I don't pressure myself too much. I actually included my posts, so when I'm posting for my small shop, my Etsy shop, and when I'm posting for like a Lovely Space podcast, and when I'm posting for myself. So it's a learning experience, like trying to manage all 3 Instagrams by myself, but I just kind of laid it out in my to-do list so that way I don't like completely forget and I'm like on track. But I have my to-do list done for the week. I'm sitting down because I currently want to share something with you guys, and I am so excited. I bought myself Doc Martens, and I have never owned Doc Martens before. I actually got gifted Doc Martens by Caesar, like I think last year, a couple years ago, but they were not my size and we just returned them, and it was a crazy time during quarantine where, like, you know, going into stores was not really a thing, so I just returned it. Look at them, you guys. Oh my god, I am so grateful to have this. Honestly, I've been wanting this for so long. So I got the shiny one, so they look like, I guess, just shiny, but there's different like options. You can get like a smooth or something, and this is also the unisex version, but it just has the ties in there. I asked the lady that was helping me just like how long it would take to break in. She told me like a good few months, so I'm excited to wear these a lot during like fall, but this is just what they look like. I'm sure most of you have seen these, but this is just super exciting for me because I don't normally buy myself like these types of things. I just got ready because I am going to be filming a haul for you guys, so it's either the one that's already been up or the one that's going up after this vlog. I don't really know, but I just curled my hair a tiny bit. Me and Caesar have a appointment for a massage, which I'm so excited about. We have never gone a massage, so I'm super stoked about it, so I'm gonna take you along as well.
Hi.
This is behind the scenes, you guys. This is a mess. It's Caesar trying to be quiet for me while also trying to help me. And then I still have to show these in the haul that you guys have seen probably by now. This is the camera with my mic, and right now I'm trying on this black dress that I'm already knowing kind of that I'm gonna keep because I really like it. It's got a collar. Okay, I need to go back to filming. Struggle of having to come back like in and out because I need to grab the next thing. So I have to go gather up all the clothes now and bring it over here so I can do the sit down portion of this video. So let's go ahead and do that. This is what it's like doing a try on haul. Hello, I'm done with my haul. I look like so good. I'm about to take off my makeup. I was supposed to clean up because I finished filming my haul. That didn't happen because I was literally falling asleep. I am going with Caesar to get massages, and I don't want to be wearing makeup. Wow, I look cute right now. Gonna wash my face. Wow. Okay, let's go get massages. I look different. I feel like I just took off my makeup and I look different.
Your face fell off?
My face fell off. I have my freaking tag on this because I just filmed the haul. I'm gonna ask Caesar to take it off though. He's gonna take it off after. Yeah, after we get to where we're supposed to be. Because I don't want to go in the store or massage place and then, you know, freaking have a towel on. I'll update you with what our first experience is like since we've never done this before, and I will see you soon.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights.
I look so crazy.
It's good.
How are you feeling?
Less tense on my body. Although there was some intense moves in there, but
Yeah, I was in a lot
no
of
pain, no gain, right?
That's true. I look like I just woke up with my... I think for me it was more painful. I don't think for you it was that painful. No. I I just think I have a lot of knots all over my body. Because everywhere she touched, I felt like I was in pain. We're going grocery shopping now, so I'll take you along. This one?
Alright.
This is what we got, and we're pretty much done. We've been loving the smoothie. Caesar had one this morning, and he's like, we need more strawberries.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. And I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else.
I wanted to show you these pretty flowers because they're so pretty. They remind me of spring, even though it's fall. They remind me of spring. Except this sunflower. This could be both. I'm gonna make some mandarin orange chicken for us for dinner with some rice. But this will be easier to make, so I'm just gonna make the rice first. I also forgot to show you guys, I'm gonna try out these yogurt pretzels. I'll try them out and test them for you guys today after I cook the rice. So let's cook the rice first.
Take me to your heart. Take me to your soul. No one else won't let you down.
Dinner is served. Oh, thank you. Yum. It looks very dark, but I'm about to try these that I was showing you guys. Yogurt pretzels. Crunchy salted pretzels with sweet and tangy yogurt coating. Let's see.
Oh my god.
Mmm.
So good.
No, these are good. These are not like sweet. These are dangerous because these are not sweet, which I like. If you don't like too much sweet, this is good. I like these. These are really good. But I can probably only have a couple because then it'll start getting too sweet for me. I'm here in the closet. I'm about to get 2 blank sweatshirts to make to print on them for an order. So I'm grabbing 2 larges, which is the ones I have here. We have this little coating rack where I've been hanging all of them. So these are my large right now. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the print that was ordered. So this one, and I believe the other order was this one. So I'm gonna just go double check, but I'll take these for now. And then this is where I keep like my little cards and my stickers. And then down here is where I keep my package thing for when I ship it. So I'm actually gonna grab one of these. My battery is low on my camera. I have to switch it out soon. But the press is on and it's heating up right now, so I'm just waiting so that I can press them on here. I'm getting hot in here, but I don't think I can package it tonight just because it needs to cool down, so I'm gonna leave it hanging up there. Okay, so both of them are done. Got a You Are More Than Enough, and back here is the one that we also did, was Everything Is Gonna Be Alright. So I'm just gonna leave them hanging here to dry, to cool down. I mean, not to dry, but to cool down. I also just want to open this up, and they're gonna cool overnight, and then I'll package them tomorrow. I think somebody's taking a shower next door and it sounds super loud, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for joining me and watching. I really appreciate it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.